Welcome back. In this chapter, we are going to look at the remaining swars. The next one is O. The symbol for O is a standing line beside the alphabet and a slanting line going towards the margin on top of it. But let's first see how we write the O. Well, you know how to write the which is 3, then a horizontal line, then a standing line next to it, and then make it an A, a standing line beside that. Connect those with the top line, and on the right hand side standing line, write a slanting line going towards the margin. That makes it an O. How do you write it with an alphabet? Well, let's look at our example. First write a K, then make it a Ka by writing a standing line beside K, and on top of that standing line write a slanting line going towards the margin. Ko. An example of O is Odha. Odha means stream. Incidentally, this word has a second meaning, which also means to pull. The next swar is Au. Let's see how to write the swar Au. Well, let's start with A, which is a 3, then a horizontal line in the middle, a standing line attached to it, one more standing line beside it, making it an A, then the top line connecting the two, and then two slanting lines going towards the margin, making it an OU. An example with a consonant. Let's start with our K. First write the K, standing line beside it to make it a Ka, top line to connect the two, and then two slanting lines going towards the margin to make it a Kau. An example of Au, Aushad, which is medicine. The next one is which is a nasal pronunciation. Start with an 3, a horizontal line, a standing line, the top line, and then a dot on top of it. This dot makes it an An example with a consonant, write the K, a top line, and a dot on top of it to make it a Kang. Example of is Angthi. Angthi is a ring. The last swar in our list is It has a pronunciation from your chest. And the symbol is two dots similar to a colon beside the letter. Let's see how to write that. Write an which is a 3, a horizontal line, a standing line beside it, the top line, and just beside the put two dots to make it an There are no words that start with the However, the sound is generally used in combination with another consonant and sometimes in the middle of the letter, most of the times towards the end of the word. Let us see an example with a consonant. We have a K, and then beside the K, we put two dots to make it a K. Well, we have finished all the 12 vowels now. Here's a recap of all of these together. Feel free to repeat after me or say it along. A, E, U, A, I, O, Aha. And don't forget to practice. Practice is what will make you perfect. Thank you and see you again.